Another day, another story about humanoid robots, but this time they're building a huge factory to make a whole mess of them. Agility Robotics yesterday announced plans to open RoboFab, a robot manufacturing facility in Salem, Oregon. The company behind the bipedal Digit isn't just making a few of these things. They plan to produce more than 10,000 robots per year. So, let's see, according to the National Association of Manufacturers, we'll have 2.1 million unfilled jobs by 2030. I don't think we're gonna make it. Agility recently demonstrated Digit's capabilities in March when it showed a fleet of the latest generation of humanoid bots capable of switching between various tasks in a warehouse. Digit is designed for logistics work, performing bulk material handling tasks in warehouses and distribution centers. Digit's new home in Salem will initially have a 70,000 square foot footprint, and the company plans to walk at least a few hundred digits off the line in the first year. Once the factory is up and running at full capacity, the company will require some 500 new workers in Salem, as well as a demand for new employees at Agility's other locations in Palo Alto, California, and Pittsburgh. What's more, Agility doesn't just plan to make these things, but employ them as well for moving, loading, and unloading totes at the new factory. Skeptics often wonder, why does my cobot need to be a humanoid? Well, Agility says the design is to enable the multi-purpose utility and work safely in spaces designed for people. According to the company, partners who participate in Agility's early adopter partner program will have first dibs on Digit, with deliveries beginning in 2024. The partners will help Agility shape Digit's development and capabilities based on real-world use cases. These partners will get some special attention, including on-site visits and dedicated engineering resources. The rest of the world can get its hands on Digit come 2025. Agility Robotics co-founder and CEO Damian Shelton says Digit was built to solve the problems of today's workforce, like injuries, burnout, high turnover, and unfillable labor gaps. According to Shelton, his quote, ultimate vision is to enable humans to be more human. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.